Hello everyone, my name is Catherine. This will be my first time opening a Fail Fix doll. As you can see behind me, I am a tiny collector of dolls. Compared to some other people who collect dolls, I have been trying to heal my inner child for quite a while. They seem to be doing the trick. I mainly collect OMG dolls and I am very slowly starting to build up a Bratz collection. I only have Chloe and Phoebe from the Eye Candy line and Sasha and Jade from the 20th anniversary line, but I will be getting more. So today I have DanceStylz. I got her for a really good price. I've seen quite a few videos of these online and I needed to get one. I'm super excited to open her up. So the whole premise of these dolls is that they have tried to follow a beauty video online. It went totally wrong, so we have to help them fix their look. There is a chance of getting one of 3 dolls. I believe this one is the super rare, this one's a rare, and this is the common doll. I will say I'm not a big fan of the packaging. It does look quite cheap, because it really is just a piece of cardboard. With these dolls, they do come with their own stand, which is amazing. If you're someone like me and you like displaying your dolls, it's super handy. Comb to brush out all of the accessories from her hair. So she's got her earrings and shoes all in her hair, some hair ties, and a face mask, which helps get rid of this makeup. Let's get her out. Here is her doll stand, and here she is. Her hair is all individual braids, which is so cute. I can't wait to get it all out and style it. So now the next step is to take her makeup off. So we have to secure this mask behind each of her ears, and now this should hopefully ta-da! Look how cute she looks, and the eye makeup too. Her hot pink lipstick. Okay, now we can take her accessories out. She has these little white platform sneakers. She has 2 earrings and a tiny little bracelet. Please excuse my awful nails. Once I've unraveled these a little bit more, I can try and run the brush through. Because of the material that her hair is made out of, it's going to make it extremely difficult to brush. I know that if I try and put the brush through it, it's going to do nothing. Yeah, so I'm going to go and quickly wash her hair to get some of this gel out. Here is her hair after I have washed out the majority of the product. You do have to be so careful when you're washing her hair though, because these braids can come out really easily. You can see here, this one started to unravel a little bit. So I didn't want to overdo it too much, but I have got the majority of the product out. Look how gorgeous she is. I've never owned a doll with hair like this before. Now, I do think she looks super cute like this, but I wanted to try and give her a different look and some style to her hair. I'm just gonna pop her down for a minute. So I do have some spare items left over from a couple of my OMG dolls that I wanted to try. But I think this pink hoodie especially will look really sweet on her because it matches the pink in her hair. So I'm gonna try that one. And here she is, all styled in her cute little pink jumper. I think she looks so precious in this one, so I'm gonna keep her in this outfit and I'm gonna find somewhere to put her with the rest of my dolls. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please let me know if you want to see any more, because I'm always happy to unbox and restyle a doll. I will be making another video soon about cleaning and restyling old Bratz dolls. I have some that are waiting to be cleaned up, so I will see you all soon. Bye!